Winter presses down on the forest, sealing the ground in ice and turning every branch into brittle glass. Sound is swallowed by cold air. Movement becomes rare, but the water does not obey the season. Mist rises, where water collides with cold, drifting upward before disappearing into the pale air. The surrounding rock wears a shell of frost, shaped by countless freeze and thaw cycles, each one refining the landscape. Paths and railings stand locked in ice. Footsteps echo, then fade. The forest remains motionless, watching. Only the cascade speaks, loud, continuous, unbroken. This waterfall was protected not for its height, but for its endurance. Fed by underground springs, it flows even in winter's grip, maintaining its course as it has for centuries. Here, cold does not signal rest. It sharpens contrast. Frozen stone, frozen trees, and water that refuses to stop.